If thinking about starting an online store and wondering whether Shopify is actually worth it, this video will give you a complete honest Shopify review. In this review, I'm going to show you Shopify pricing and plans, how easy it is to build a store, the features you get, real pros and cons, and whether Shopify is actually the best e-commerce platform in 2026. I'll also show you how to start a Shopify free trial, where you can start completely free and then pay for just $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is one of the lowest entry prices Shopify offers. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, meaning I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Alright, let's get into the review. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world. It allows you to create an online store, sell physical or digital products, accept payments, manage orders, and run your entire e-commerce business from one dashboard. Shopify handles things like website hosting, security, payment processing, inventory tracking, shipping integrations, store design. So instead of needing multiple tools, Shopify gives you everything in one platform. Today, millions of businesses worldwide use Shopify, including small startups and even major brands. Let's talk about Shopify pricing because this is one of the biggest questions people have before starting an online store. Shopify offers several different plans depending on the size of your business. If you pay monthly, the pricing currently looks like this. Basic Shopify, $39 per month. Shopify Grow, $105 per month. Advanced Shopify, $399 per month. Shopify Plus, starting at $2,300 per month for enterprise businesses. However, if you choose annual billing, the pricing is slightly cheaper. The yearly pricing is Basic, $29 per month. Grow, $79 per month. Advanced, $299 per month. Plus, $2,300 per month for enterprise businesses. So if you plan to use Shopify long term, choosing the yearly option can save you quite a bit over time. Now, the good news is you don't have to pay any of that immediately. Shopify currently offers a promotion where you can start completely free, and then after the free trial, you can continue using Shopify for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. This gives you plenty of time to build your store, add products, and test everything before paying the normal subscription price. For most beginners, the basic Shopify plan is the best place to start. It includes everything you need to run a professional e-commerce store, including unlimited products, secure checkout, built-in AI tools, Shopify's world-class checkout system, online and in-person selling, 24/7 support. As your store grows, you can always upgrade to the Grow or Advanced plans later. One of Shopify's biggest advantages is how easy it is to use. You don't need coding experience or technical skills. When you first sign up, Shopify walks you through the entire setup process. You can add products, customize your store design, connect payment methods, set up shipping, launch your store, all from a simple dashboard. For most beginners, you can realistically launch a basic store in under an hour. Shopify includes a large theme marketplace where you can choose from both free and premium themes. Themes control the design and layout of your store. The free Shopify themes are clean, fast, and mobile optimized. And you can customize things like colors, fonts, homepage sections, product pages, navigation menus, all without coding. The drag and drop editor makes it easy to adjust your store layout and preview changes instantly. Adding products to Shopify is very simple. You can add physical products, digital downloads, print-on-demand items, drop shipping products. For each product, you can set price, inventory, variants like size or color, images, product descriptions, shipping settings. Shopify also allows unlimited products, which is great if you plan to scale your store. Shopify supports many payment methods. The main option is Shopify Payments, which allows you to accept credit cards directly without needing a third-party provider. You can also integrate PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, third-party payment gateways. This makes it easy for customers to pay using the method they prefer. Another big advantage of Shopify is the Shopify App Store. There are thousands of apps you can install to add extra features to your store. Some common apps include email marketing tools, upsell apps, product review systems, dropshipping integrations, print-on-demand services, subscription tools. These apps allow you to expand your store's functionality as your business grows. Here's some of the biggest advantages of Shopify. First, it's extremely beginner-friendly. You don't need coding knowledge or web design experience to launch a store. Second, Shopify is an all-in-one platform. Hosting, security payments, and store design are all included. Third, Shopify is very scalable. Many major e-commerce brands use Shopify because it can handle high traffic and large product catalogs. And finally, the app ecosystem is huge, giving you tons of ways to customize your store. No platform is perfect, and Shopify does have a few downsides. First, Shopify does have monthly costs, which can increase as you add apps. Second, some advanced customizations may require apps or developer help. And third, Shopify charges transaction fees if you don't use Shopify payments. However, for most beginners and small businesses, these limitations are fairly minor. Shopify is best for people who want to start an online store quickly, sell products online without technical headaches, use drop shipping or print on demand, build a scalable e-commerce business. If your main goal is selling products online, Shopify is one of the best platforms available. If you want to try Shopify, you can start with the Shopify free trial using the link in the description below. With this offer, you can start completely free, then continue using Shopify for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. This gives you plenty of time to build your store, test products, and see if Shopify is the right platform for you. To start the trial, click the Shopify link in the description. Create your Shopify account, follow the setup steps, and you can begin building your store immediately. Overall, Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platforms available today. It's beginner-friendly, powerful, and includes everything you need to run an online store. While there are other e-commerce platforms out there, Shopify remains one of the easiest and most reliable options for launching an online business. If you want to try it yourself, you can activate the Shopify free trial using the link in the description and start building your store today.